right, good morning. So today we're going to pick up where I kind of left off on the last one, and now assemble this Ricoh Tour in the Ricoh Tour's dashboard. So if I come in here and I click on Model Home, and then I click on Edit Tour, this is where it will allow me to start connecting these panels together. So the first thing I need to do is pick the primary view, and then in the Ricoh Tours platform, what you do is then you drag your connection point onto the photo where the connection point is, and then you can adjust the arrow on either side by clicking on it. And then you just kind of go through one by one doing this. So now we'll go entry. And that is still connected to the curbside. So now if I click on entry, entry should be connected out to the front porch. And then I can do a connection point into the office. And if you notice that that has the entry over there, what I want to do is I want to bring this back around to the doorway to where it makes a little more sense to get back out of the room. Office, I don't need any other connection points from the office. Coming back out into the entry is fine, so I'm going to come back here to the entry. I want to add a connection point into this hallway. And here, I want this to come there we go. I don't know why that connection point just disappeared all of a sudden. Alright, so now we have it back out here into the entry hallway. While I'm in this entry, I can go ahead and add a connection to the living room. In the living room, I'd want this to come back out to the entry. And then the living room, I think I want this to connect to the wet bar. And then the wet bar, I can connect back to the entry. So now if I come back up here to the entry, that connects me to all the spots that I need to get to right from this connection point. So let's go ahead and go into the hallway here. From the hallway, I have a front bedroom. I'll drag this over so it connects back with the hallway. And then I have another hallway. And then I'll drag this hallway connection point back right here. This is a little tight for the hallway for having two connection points in there. But what I found is having a direct line of sight just makes the navigation a little bit more smoother. So I'm going to do a connection point into this bathroom. I'm going to fix this arrow, come back out into the hallway, and then I can also connect into this rear bedroom. Now I want to move the arrow so it's not going out that back window there, to come back around to this doorway, so that way you can go back out into the hallway. So now if I come to the living room, I have over to the entry, I'm going to connect to the kitchen island here. And I'm going to connect to the patio door. So patio door, I'm going to bring this over here into the living room. I click on kitchen island. I'm going to move this just a little bit. So let me go kitchen island. From the kitchen island, I want to be able to connect to this wet bar. And I might connect to this front entry here. Now here I want to make sure that kitchen island comes back over where it should be. Kitchen island, I can go ahead and connect over into the kitchen. From the kitchen island, I also want to be able to access this patio door. And it's already connected into the living room. So kitchen island. Make sure that that is connected properly. Let me click on the kitchen and pull this arrow around where it should be. So now if I come to the patio door, I can connect over here to the dining room. And I might just adjust that arrow just a little bit. And then the other connection that I need from this patio door would be to get out onto the patio. Covered rear patio. And then I think that lines up good enough. So while in here, I'm going to go to the dining room. Dining room, I will connect to the kitchen. And I might even connect the kitchen island here. So double check the kitchen. Kitchen. Nope, I need kitchen. There we go. So that's kitchen island. I need the dining room to be in the right position here. Now those are connecting nicely. I could add the patio door there. That's kind of your call. Now I'm going to add this hallway, which is this hallway. And then this hallway, I want to make sure that connects back into the center of the kitchen. And then if I click on hallway, from hallway, I want to connect to the wet bar. And then I want to make sure that this arrow is in the correct spot. I also want to connect into the laundry room. Connect that back out to that hallway. And then I want to be able to hit this other hallway that gives me the pantry and the master bedroom. And then I want to move this arrow back over to the proper hallway. So now if I come to that hallway, that's connecting properly. And then I can add a connection point into the master bedroom. And then I want to adjust this arrow to go back out into the hallway. Click on the master bedroom. So now I have the hallway. I want to connect it to the master bathroom. In the master bedroom, that looks pretty good for going back out into the bedroom. So let me click on the master bathroom. And I want to add the secondary connection point in the bathroom here. That takes me into the closet and then shows me the water closet. And then make sure that other connection point is good. So here that takes me to that second spot in the master bathroom, and then I can add one for the master closet. So double check the master closet, and that is good. So I can come back out to the laundry room now, to where we had made the connection to the hallway. And I can go out into the garage. And then line that up on the door so I can get back into the laundry room. And I click on the garage. And give it the second connection point out here in the garage. That gives me the door to go out into the rear yard. And then I'm going to pull this over, which gives us the door to get back into the laundry room. So if I click on this other garage, we can see that one there. And then this doorway here is going to be this walkway. And then I want to drag this arrow over to that door. So now I'm going to come over to the covered rear patio that we connected from that patio door inside off the living room. And here I have a back driveway. And then I'll adjust this covered rear patio. And then the other thing that we had here was the walkway, which would have given me the door into the shop. And then I'm going to adjust this arrow just a little bit to bring it closer in line with the patio. And then I will click on this walkway. This walkway will give us this patio off the master suite. I will adjust this other arrow just a little bit. I'll go to this patio. And then from this patio, I'm going to connect out to this walkway. And then drag this arrow over here to this gate. Walkway. I'll connect out into the side yard photo that I did there. Just that. And that is a connection of everything. So now I can go ahead and click done up here in the corner. And then if I view the tour, all these connection points are now going to be together. And that is the assembly of a Ricoh Tour. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.